Yeah. There's this... No vehicles getting away this side, no. Probably be this plane, the Chinook all in one video, it'll probably be this. What would the Chinook turn and go back? That's an air show plane. Which one? That one. Oh, that's probably going next then. I mean, that's Coast Guard helicopter pilot's one. Fuck it. Where's the Chinook going? Turning to go land 0A? Yeah, it is landing. It's actually see a Chinook landing. And it's descending, so it isn't going Somerset. That plane's quite noisy. That's a display. Is it going to take off this way? Potentially, yeah. That means Red Arrows will take off past us. That's going to be loud. If it was loud from our haps, now it's not even going that low. I can usually hear this helicopter from miles away. Yeah, you can. That's the lowest I've seen a Chinook. Well, there's a bit of wind coming out of that. Discover door set. Discover. That's Discover door. Oh yeah? Chinook's hovering. Driving